everyone, in this video we'll be seeing about features of Java. So let's get started. Features of Java. Simple. It is very easy to learn. Its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. Object oriented, which means we can organize our software in a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior, thereby simplifying the software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Platform independent. Java is a write once and run anywhere language, which means it can be executed on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Sun Solaris, macOS, and etc. Secure. Java is known for its security as we can develop virus-free systems. Robust. Java is robust because it uses strong memory management and the lack of pointers avoids security problems. Architecture neutral. It is architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, the size of primitive types is fixed. The int data type occupies 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 64-bit architectures in Java. Portable. It is portable as it facilitates to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. High performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages because the Java bytecode is close to the native code. It is still a little bit slower than compiled languages like C++ because Java is an interpreted language, so it will be slower than compiled languages. Distributed. Because it facilitates users to create distributed applications in Java, and this feature of Java makes us access files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. Multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. Instead, it shares a common memory area, and these threads are important for multimedia web applications and etc. Dynamic. Java is a dynamic language as it supports dynamic loading of classes, which means classes are loaded on demand, and it also supports functions from its native languages like C and C++. Interpreted. Interpreter in Java is a computer program which converts high-level program statement into assembly-level language. It is designed to read the input source program and then translate the source program instruction by instruction. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. In the next video, we'll be seeing about prerequisites. So thank you all for watching.